Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you on how to increase the space for our Gel Blaster magazine. Increasing the space means more gel balls to accommodate. It's like making a box mag but in a unique, cool way. I will be using my UMP 45 magazine as my format. Initially, I made a hole for my primary magazine just near the mag well level. I also need to sacrifice another UMP magazine by removing its motor and its feeding mechanism located at the bottom part of it. This way I got more space to accommodate more gel balls. To make it cooler, I bought some dummy rounds via online and will be placing them at the top to make it like a real deal mag. For this, I need to make a hole on top of the magazine so as to accommodate enough 3 dummy rounds. I also need to make a hole near the bottom area of secondary mag almost the same size of the primary magazine's hole. So it sits just right across the hole of the primary Gel Blaster magazine. Okay. Time to set up my butane blowtorch to heat up the box cutter. I'll heat up the box cutter and cut through the side of the secondary magazine near the bottom area, making sure that I'm getting a good size enough equal to the bottom I had made at the primary magazine. Hot box cutter is like cutting through a soft butter. Easy peasy. There you go. Making sure that the hole of the secondary magazine is sitting just right across the hole of the primary magazine. Perfect hole. Perfect place. Now time to heat up my glue gun and proceed to make connection between the two magazines. Perfect. The secondary magazine looks perfectly good beside the primary Gel Blaster magazine. But, first thing first. I'll start with the hole on top of the secondary magazine. A hole just enough to accommodate the 3 dummy rounds. Perfect hole. Now time to place the dummy rounds at the top of the secondary magazine. To keep the dummy rounds in place, let's secure them by putting epoxy, or super glue will do. Alright. Perfect. It looks cool with the dummy rounds. Okay, time to bring this bad boy to the firing range. Wow, look at that. It's like the real deal magazine of Heckler & Koch UMP 45. Matte black spray on the connection between 2 magazines to cover the presence of hot glue connection. Okay, time to load in some gel balls and fire some rounds. Oopsie. That's enough, and close it up. Time to check this bad boy. Priming up some gel balls and fire up some rounds. It's been ages that I used this Gel Blaster for my games. Let's check it out how the high-capacity magazine feeds this blaster. Feeding well the primary magazine. Impressive.